And now we're going to transfer over the stock actuators from the original system onto the new Valvetronic system. Remove the 10mm nuts. So using the springs that can be found in the bag or in the electronic control box, we're going to use these new springs and transfer over the original actuator onto the new system. It's very important to remember this. On the factory system, as we can see here, these don't have a spring. They're actually like a C-cup design, which is pretty clever on BMW's part. Now this is spring loaded and it's designed this way so that it won't rattle. Now we have to install ours in a similar fashion to ensure there's lots of tension and the valves don't rattle when you're sitting at idle or you first start the car, because that's annoying and we don't want that. So we'll show you how to do that right now. Take the C-clip, slide it onto the valve. You can see in here that the valve is closed. The actuator motor, which is closed, set it on top. And then you want to rotate the motor as far as it will go to make sure there's lots of tension on the valve spring. Using the factory screws, or you can use the supplied Valvetronic Designs screws. You want to thread this on by hand. Then you want to use an impact. This motor right now, see there's a little bit of movement here which we don't want. We want it to be all the way pinned. So spin the motor as far as it will go.